When we talk about jobs, we can speak in two angles. One is public sector, government jobs, and second is private sector. We will look at where we stand in each of these sectors as far as jobs and employment are concerned, what Modi government should be doing, what Modi government is not doing. Job creation in government sector can be one way is generating new posts and second is filling up existing vacancies. And what is government doing? They are certainly not creating any new post. Are they filling vacancies? Let's have a look. The Railway Recruitment Board RRB manages recruitment in railways. Total number of vacancies is 2,14,688. Total number of applicants 3 crore 14 lakhs. Total fee collected over 1,025 crores. And what is the result? A big zero. Not a single recruitment is done. So from this example, it is very clear that if vacancies are there, sometimes applications are called and crores of rupees are collected as exam fee, but exams will not be held. And if exams take place, results will not be published. And if results are published, there shall be no joining date, there shall be no appointment letter, there shall be no recruitment. At the end of it, fact remains that vacancies shall not be filled, so no job opportunity for youth. Additionally, on September 4th, Finance Ministry has come up with a circular freezing creating new government posts without the approval of Expenditure Department. And all this coming from who? Coming from Modi ji, who promised 2 crore jobs per year. On one hand, they do not fill up vacancies, and on the other hand, they are implementing voluntary retirement scheme. Although the name says voluntary, it is to be read as compulsory because of the pressure involved. Example, the latest State Bank of India voluntary retirement scheme. Let us get to the point. The future of the youth is being destroyed by Modi government, halting government recruitment, and by private sector layoffs. What should the government be doing? Government should 1. Notify vacancies, 2. Call for applications, 3. Conduct exam, 4. Publish results, 5. Tell joining dates, 6. Give appointment letters. And Modi government should also withdraw the circular on job freezing and create more jobs, as jobs are shrinking in private sector because of the corona pandemic. So the Modi government should focus on filling up vacancies in government sector and encourage private sector to face the challenge. But the government is busy with lies in advertisements and speeches to hide the truth, the facts. Modi ji should remember that the choice he makes today will directly affect the way the crisis unfolds and also how the lives of billions of people will be affected or saved. With the right measures, the impact of this COVID can be limited, but now whether to expect that to happen, we are yet to see, because we have been seeing only jumlas all these past